Hello students, already we have started practice set 3.3 in which we have completed question number 1. Okay, today we will solve question number 2. Here we have to simplify the given question. Okay, so first one, what is given here? Cube root of 27 by 125. Okay, we have to find out the cube root of these fraction. Okay, so first of all, we know that the 27 cube root of 27, what are the cube root of 27? 3. Okay, we have learned that. And the what is the cube root of 125? That is 5. Okay, first of all we will write into the prime factor, multiplication of prime factor. Okay, 27 is written as 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, and 125 how is written? 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. So in the previous question we were considering a pair of 3 numbers. So here we are looking at the pair of 3 numbers. So when it comes the radicand sign, outside the radicand sign, then it converts into single number. Okay, because here we have to find out the cube root. So in the numerator what is given here? 3 times 3, and denominator 3 times 5. So we will write at 3 by 5. Okay, because here we have given the pair of 3 numbers, 3 into 3 into 3, and in denominator also same pair of 3 numbers, that is 5 into 5 into 5. Then when will we take the cube root, then these 3 numbers converts into one number, that is 3 by 5. So finally we will write that 27 by 125 is equal to 3 by 5. This is the easy question. We have to do all the question in the same manner. Again we are looking in the second question, that is there is another fraction given to which we have to find out the cube root. So firstly we should reduce the fraction. Okay, here we are saying that both the fraction are even number, so we can reduce by dividing by 2. Okay, so 16 when it divide from 2, then half of 16 what is? 8. Okay, and half of 54 what is? 27. Simply we have to divide the given number by 2. Again we are not able to divide here these two numbers. Okay, so we will do our method. 8, we know that the cube root of 8 what is? 2. Okay, or cube of 2, that is 8. And we know that the cube root of 27, as we did in the previous question, what is? 3 into 3 into 3. So we will write in that manner that 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, and 27 is written as 3 into 3 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. So we got 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. So we again got. Okay, so here we are seeing that the there are given numbers are in the pair of 3. Okay, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 3 times 2 are multiplied. Okay, and here 3 are multiplied 3 times. So we have to find out the cube root. So we will consider it one time. So here we got the 2 upon 3. Okay, so we will write in final answer that 16 by 54 is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, this is our final answer. Last question of this chapter, that is given that if cube root of 729 is equal to 9, here we have given a value, that is the cube of 9 is 729, or cube root of 729 is 9, and we have asked here that what will be the value of cube root of 0.000729. Okay, so first of all copy the question in the answer section. So we will write that 3729 is equal to 9. Okay, so here we have asked to solve this question. This question is given by 0.000, 3 times 0, and 7 to 9 is equal to. Okay, as we are seeing in the first, there is no role of decimal in the question, but in second, to which we have to find out, we are seeing that there is decimal. Okay, so first of all we will trace the decimal. Okay, how much digit it is leaving. Okay, so count the decimal. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so this decimal is 6 place left to the digit. Okay, the decimal is 6 place left to the digit. So here we can count again. 1 2 3 4 5 6. The decimal is 6 place left to the digit. We have to find out the cube root. So 6 divided by 3. How much? 3 2 ja 6. So we have to place the decimal left side. Okay, because it is in left side. So here we will place 2 place to the digit. Okay, in answer we were getting 9. Okay, 729, cube root of 729, we were getting 9. So we will write 9, but we have to place 2. We have to here put to left side of that digit at the 2 place. Okay, so we will put 0. So here 2 place, we have to place this decimal to the left side of the digit at the 2 place. So we will count 1 and 2. So we will put as 0.09. So we will solve this question in that manner. Again recap the question what we are given. We have given the cube root of 729, that is 9, and we have asked the cube root of 0.000729. Okay, so we did by the method that it is the 6th place left to the digit. So we will divide this number. Okay, number means that how much place it is belong to. Okay, it is belongs to 6th place. Okay, so we will divide by the here index, that is 3. So 6 by 3, here we are getting 2. So we will place decimal at the 2 place left to the digit. So here we did like this. Okay, so we have done here question number 3. Okay, by this question we have completed the chapter. Okay, first you revise the practice set 3.3, all the given questions. Okay, solve it 2 times. Okay, from tomorrow there will be a test for you of chapter number 3. Okay, be prepared and come. Thank you for today.